Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. At the end of the session, we will create a software application like this. We will create this application in this session. We create 3 files, and I will make it look better. This file we declare apple, and 5 we assign 5. And in this file we declare banana and assign 6, initialize with 6. And here we declare cherry and initialize to 15, for example. Then apple, from here we include banana txt. We will save this file as banana txt. So then this code, I would say banana2 txt. And this is code editor 3. This is called cherry txt. Sorry, we will name it banana. No, we will name it apple txt and rename it to banana. Okay, this is apple, this is banana, this is cherry. Apple includes banana txt, this file, and banana txt includes cherry txt. In cherry, we code like this. Apple, we can access apple like tango, banana plus cherry. Then we can open here. At this point we can access all these things, and we display apple is apple and please note that apple is updated here. Now we run it from here. Then result apple 21st is displayed. No, it is banana cherry. 6 plus 16, 6 plus 15 makes 21. So this calculation is correct. Now let's change it to something like this: cherry, pear, banana plus peach, like this. Because now we save all. Because peach is not yet introduced anywhere, it should give us a syntax error. Now select this file, then press, then it gives syntax error, unexpected name, undefined name, and cherry here. Now if we double click it, see, peach is selected if we double click it. And we add another program here: banana apple times bear. Then we save all, and here if we run it, then we have two error message, two undefined symbol. If we click it, then it is selected. If we click it, then it is selected. So by clicking the error message here, we can pinpoint exactly the correct file. If we close this, okay, we close only we started here. If we double click it, then the file is open and specific string is selected. Okay, let's try it. If I click it, then the file cherry is open in application, and the string is the undefined name is selected like this, just clicking. So we will implement this feature in this session. To implement this session, we need to download our previous source code. From this video, Scripting Language Template Solution 24 Graceful Error Recovery, click this button. When download is completed, open the download folder, then unzip it. Then rename it. "25". Then copy the solution to your working folder. Now open it in Visual Studio. When solution is loaded, press Ctrl F5 to build and run. Say, to implement our feature, we take 4 steps. First, we have to raise the WinForm controls event handler in MFC class. Then we extract contents of WinForm data grid view cell. Then search document templates for C document. If document is already open, return the document. If document is not yet open, then open it and return the document. Then lastly, search document for view. And one more step, 5, locate the bug spot in the C view or C document. So we basically need to take 5 steps. It can be a little bit challenging if you haven't done it before, but I will describe all the code. I will implement all the steps necessary to implement this feature. Okay, the program is loaded like this, and currently if we started, this click is not yet implemented. We will implement it. Now close it. Here, script header, double click script output control, select output properties here. We will change it to read only. Okay, make sure output rich text box is selected, then select it to read only, true. Save it. Then click debug tab, double click it, then click this control, the data grid view control property. Make sure debug data grid view is selected. Also change it to true. Save. Okay. Then double click this message, this cell, double click it. We are adding event handler. Save. Then copy this text, this part of text, copy it in class view, code editor, C mainframe. Here it public attribute section, paste it like this. Then please note that system void will be translated to void like this. And we rename a little bit like this. CViews on debug data grid view cell contents click. This is CLR object. We make it look simple. And this is we haven't defined it yet. We haven't defined alias for this yet. Copy this text, copy, then in Solution Explorer header, CLR alias, paste it like this, then type DEF. It can be WinForms. Because we defined WinForms here, then copy this text once again, then put CLR like this, then copy this, save, then in mainframe again, paste. We can paste like this, then we don't need this. Okay, save it. Now we are going to define this function in C mainframe here in the class view. Click any function C mainframe. We can scroll down. At the end of the file we will put it here, then copy C mainframe. Okay, then put message AFX message box here. Okay, it is event handler for our debug data grid view. This is debug data grid view. Is event handler is defined here. We have to register this event handler. Then go to function main here. It should be in public section. Say begin, delegate map. Then we put this C mainframe like this. Then end delegate map like this, and in between event delegate entry. This is member function, so this is the member function name. Then argument 1, and this is CLR object, and another one is this argument. Then semicolon, save like this. Then we need to add a function, C mainframe add function here. Say void register event handlers like this. Register event handlers, finish. Then this function is created. We need to register event handler. To do that, this from class view, script output contains the grid controls. This control here, CLR data grid view get debug data grid debug data grid view like this. Let's double check this function name in Solution Explorer here. If we scroll up in this file, if we scroll up, let's see, debug data grid view. This is the function. We will make the same name. Come back to here. We will make the same name the same like this. Then we need to add this function. Copy. In class view, this file, activate tab. You can click anywhere actually. I will put it here. Now copy here, auto CTRL. CTRL means control this, get script output control, then return CTRL, get data grid view, like this. It's done. Now save it. In function main again here, we say auto data grid. Then here, this mwind script output window, get data grid view. Okay. Here, now data grid, we are adding event handler. This is click contents, cell contents click. We are adding event handler, make delegate here. Then it asks us delegate name, but we don't know what's the delegate name. So go back to here in this file, and at the end of the file we can find this function still. Copy this, Control F, current document. Now find it. Then we found once here. Then this is the delegate name. Copy this part. Copy. Then alias again. Type def WinForms. Copy this part. CLR. Okay. Now save. Control S. Save. Copy this part. Then in mainframe here, paste like this. Okay. Then the member function. This is the member function for event handler. Paste like this. Okay. Then done. We register event handler. Then we have to call this function. We have to register event handler function. In the class view again, app here, init instance, scroll down to the end of this function here. Now paste. No. It should be p mainframe register event handler. Okay. Now save it. Now we called event handler. Let's go back. Then after this event handler is registered, then this message will be displayed if we click the button. Now Control F5. Now select Apple, then run in process, then double click it. Then we have here error message here. Double click it. Then we have message here. So this event we can now call with this event handler here. So we register WinForms controls event handler in MFC class. Now we need to extract contents of WinForms data grid view cell. We are in step 2 now. Here, auto data grid. I would say debug grid. Then this mwind script output, get debug data grid view, like this. Okay. Now save it. We are getting debug grid view data control, data grid view control. Now auto, the object. Actually, we can do this. Actually, we can do the same thing like this. Save cast CLR data grid view. Sorry. CLR data grid view. Here. Sender. We could have done the same like this. Now, please note that save cast can throw. We have to enclose like this because save cast can throw as catch system invalid cast exception can be thrown. Okay. We will put more code here. Then here we auto say file name. I would say data debug grid rows okay, debug grid. Okay, here row index. Okay, row index. I would say row. Then auto file value. I will put like this. Row cell file column. Okay, then value like this. We can do like this. File column contains here. If you click this, the name of this file is file column. Edit view, say file. The name is file column. Okay. Here again. Now auto line value row cells last line column value auto first character value row cells first column value auto last character value row cells last column value. Okay, so if the file name is not available, then you say if file value is available, okay, it should not be null, then we can do like this. Okay, so then we say C string file pass file value to string. Okay, then here if all three should be not valid. Line value and first character value and last character value. All these things, all line value, first character value, last character value, all these handles should be valid and should not be null. Okay, then we can close like this. No, I will do like this. Okay, then we can further process. Say int line save cast int, then line value int first character save cast int first character value int last character save cast int last character value. Okay, now at this point we extracted all values we need here. Now C string msg format, then file %s and line %d first column %d last column %d. Okay, then we say file path path file path, then line first character last character. Okay, then we display afx mes message box msg. Okay, now Control F5. Now here run it, then click it. Okay, line 3 first column 19 last column 24, and this is the file name. So we extracted all contents of the cell that we need. Now close it. Now we finished this step 2. Now we are doing in step 4 search document templates for the C document. Okay, we are now implementing step 3. Close all. Now we delete this. In class view, C code edit app, right click, add function. Return value will be C document pointer, and function name will be get document from open list. Okay, get document from open list. Now finish. Save it. Oh, sorry, we missed one argument here. It should be constant C string file path, like this. We copy this. Then in C here, double click it. We have to modify it like this. Now save it. Come back here again. the very first thing is we need to test. Okay, we need to test or yes, we probably need to test. We can do it like this. If pass file exists, okay, pass file exists, file pass, then we can proceed further work. If not, then we have to return no. It means file does not exist. Okay, if file path exists, it returns true, otherwise it returns false, so the document does not exist. Else position say doc.tmp, this is document template, this get first doc template position, I would say doc.temp.pos position. Okay, while doc.tmp.pos, like this. Okay, this is very typical. Then order, it should be p doc.tmp. Okay, then this get next doc template, it returns C doc template. This is pointer. Then we have to provide doc.tmp.pos, like this. We probably have to check if it is null or not. If p doc.tmp, like this. Okay, here. Now we need to introduce another one, auto p no position again, position doc.po. Okay, so p doc.tmp get first document position, while doc.pos auto p doc, like this, p doc.tmp get next doc. Okay, if p doc, then we can test. We cannot just p doc path name. We cannot just compare with this file name, because in some case we can provide lowercase file name, or some case uppercase path name can be uppercase or lowercase. So we have to make them more smart comparison. Talk play fun, we have is the same path. Okay, I made this function some time ago. You can do like this. Here we need to get a string, get string. No. Here get string. Then we need another file, compare file path here, file path get string. We are comparing to string. Okay, if they are identical, we found the doc. If they are the same, then we can return p doc. Okay, save all. Then if this loop fails, then we are returning null ptr. Null ptr means we failed to find. We failed to find the C document in the open file list. Okay, so Going back, if the doc is already open, then return the doc. We finished this step. Now we are implementing this step again. Here, right click, add a function. Return value should be C document pointer. I'll say open and get document. Okay, open and get document. Click. We need here pass constant C string reference. It should be file path. Okay, add, then finish. Save it. Open and get document. Let's see. Okay, we'll start it here. Open and get document will start like this. Auto p doc. This get document from open list. We first search if file is open. Okay. If pdoc is not null, then we can return pdoc. Okay. If not, then we have to open. We can say auto return. If not open, then we will test once again. If pass file exists, we need to test if file path exists. If file does not exist, if exists, does not exist, then we have to pass return null ptr. Okay, then return this open document file. Okay, we can call this function file path. Okay, then done. Like this, save it. Now we have done to this stage. We have finished from this step to this step. Now we are searching C document for the view. Okay, we are searching C document to get C view pointer. Right click again, add a function. Return value will be C view pointer, and I will say patch view, and parameter should be constant C string file path. Add the function name is patch view. Here auto pdoc. We are now calling this function open and get document. This open and get document file path. Then if pdoc is null, then we failed, so we return null pointer. Now at this point, position again, position pos pdoc get first view position while for auto pview pdoc get next view POS. Okay, if pview, then we can return pview. Okay, otherwise here return null ptr. We failed to find the view, null ptr. Okay, wow, it's quite a lot of jobs. I hope you understand this mechanism. Now we go back mainframe here. Okay, then we can say cview, pview, df, patch view. We have to pass file pass. It is file pass. If pview, because pview can be null, means we found the pview view. Then we have to, this is C code editor view. We have to include here. We have to include code editor view. Now scroll back down here. C code editor view. I'll say P code view, dynamic downcast. This is class name C code editor view, then P view, like this. Okay, what is downcast? You don't need to worry about this. You can just do like this too. For example, you can do just cast C code editor, editor view. In old C style, you could have done like this too. Okay, preview. So don't worry about this. Then if P code view, if the cast was successful, if you can look for this, okay, MSDN, then P code view, we are calling it locate bug spot, as POT, locate bug spot, line, first character, last character. Okay, so we have to implement locate bug spot. CView here, here right click, add function, return value is void, so locate bug spot as POT, and parameter line, add, then first character, add, last character, add. No, delete this. Remove. Then here, first character. Okay, we will just do this. First character, last character. We will just do this. Finish. Okay, here. Now I will show you where we are. Now we are at this stage, at the last step. Now here we need auto reference edit ctrl edit control, this get reach edit control. Okay, say edit int base character for, it should be edit control line index. Okay, then line, you have to do like this. Then int first character for base character for, it returns first the character position of the first character at the line. Okay, the character position of the bug text starts, the character position of the bug text start. Okay, starts plus first character, then the character position of the bug text ends, int last character for base character for plus last character. Okay, now we select the edit control, edit ctrl set cell first character for last character for, we selected. Okay, there's another thing, we need to activate this code editor view. Right click, add function, it can be void, activate me. Okay, finish. Then here auto p frame, then this get parent frame. Okay, then p frame activate frame, like this. Okay, then done. Here this activate me, we are calling this function. Okay, save it. We still may need to fix one thing. In mainframe, here on debug data grid view cell here, please note that when we scan this line, when we compute line first character last character etcs in Python and Plex input files, one paste. When we compute the line first character last character etc in Python and Plex input files, the first character, the first line's index is 1, not 0. The first character's index is 1, not 0. Okay, but in each editor control, the first character's index is 0, not 1. So we have to subtract minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Now we will disable it. Now Control F5. So missing. We have to declare this here. Okay, now Control F5 again. Now I have another error. I have to provide this doc4. Control F5 again. Now we close it, we run it. If we double click it, okay, it's we correctly locate the bug position like this. And if we make another syntax error, for example, we put plus, this is syntax error, and this is also syntax error, like this. Now let's run, save here, let's run. Then if we double click it, then this is syntax error. Then this is syntax error. This way we can, when we have a syntax error, then we can, by clicking this, we can pinpoint the bug. Now we fix like this. And we also fix cherry like this. Then save all. We need to open banana here, and we will make syntax error here. Banana plus pear. Pear is not defined, undefined. Save all. Then select apple, run. Okay, then if we double click it, then it gives the exact place where the syntax error is. This way we improved our code editor significantly. Now error syntax bug tracking, error handling, and also syntax error handling, tracking, location tracking becomes very convenient and handy. So if this code has some bugs then I will fix in future session. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.